Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the motor stator on a Whirlpool front load washer. The motor spins the basket during the wash cycle, but if it's faulty, then the washer may not spin correctly or at all. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Now before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today we'll need a multimeter, a 1/4 inch nut driver, 11/16 inch socket, needle nose pliers, a hammer, cheater bar, which is any device that will extend the length of a tool, and a T40 Torx driver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before starting any work on it. While you're at it, go ahead and turn off the water supply. Let's jump in. To access the motor for testing, we're using our 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the screws that hold the back panel on the washer. Then we're going to set the back panel to the side and find the motor control on the left. To test the motor, we are disconnecting the stator 3-wire connection from the motor control. A flathead screwdriver can be used to carefully remove the connector only. We can grab our meter and set it to resistance mode, which has a symbol that looks like an upside down horseshoe. We're going to test from terminals 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 1 to 3 on the wire connector. Each test group should have a resistance between 8.5 to 14 ohms. If the resistance is good, like ours is here, then that means the motor control has failed. If the resistance isn't good, then the motor stator has failed. To remove the motor, we can grab our 11/16 inch socket and remove the rotor mounting bolt. A hammer may be needed. Now we're pulling the rotor away from the tub and setting it to the side. This may be a little stuck, so you might need to wiggle it side to side to get it out. We're going to use our T40 Torx driver and a cheater bar to remove the mounting bolts from the motor stator, so we can pull the stator away. Here's the old motor stator and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're mounting the motor stator with the T40 bolts we removed earlier. At this point, we can connect the stator wires and install the rotor by securing it with the 11/16 bolt we removed earlier. Now we're securing the back panel with the 1/4 inch screws. And we're done. Don't forget to plug your washer back in and turn that water supply back on. You made it to the end. Awesome job and thanks for joining us today. Be sure to share how your repair went in the comments below. If you still need a motor, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. Most parts arrive in just a few days. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more troubleshooting and repair videos, plus all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.